In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set password protection for Excel Workbook. This is a simple way to help keep your Excel file more secure, especially if you share it with others or store it on a device where multiple people may have access. To get started, open the Excel Workbook you want to protect. Once your file is open, look at the top of the window and find the ribbon, which is the toolbar area across the top. On that ribbon, click the File tab. This will take you out of the worksheet view and into the Backstage area, where you can manage file options and protections. After you click the File tab, pay attention to the left sidebar menu that appears. In that menu, click Info. This section is where Excel displays details about your workbook and provides security-related actions. It is also the area you will use to apply encryption or other protections, so it is important to select Info before you try to lock anything down. Next, within the Info area, locate the Protect Workbook button. It may be near the top of the page, and it should stand out as a security option. Click Protect Workbook to reveal a drop-down list of choices. This is where Excel gives you multiple ways to secure the file. For this method, you will choose encryption with a password, which helps ensure that the file cannot be opened without the correct password. In the drop-down menu, select Encrypt with Password. After you choose this option, Excel will show a box where you can enter your desired password. Type your password in the box, then click OK. Take a moment to make sure you enter it carefully, because Excel will require the same password later to open or access the protected workbook. Once you confirm the first entry, Excel will ask you to re-enter the password for confirmation. This step is designed to prevent mistakes, such as a typo in the first password entry. So when the confirmation box appears, type the same password again, and then click OK a second time. Again, proceed carefully so that the password you confirm matches exactly what you typed initially. With the encryption set, you are not finished yet. The final part is saving the file so the protection actually takes effect. Go ahead and save the workbook. Saving ensures that the encrypted settings are stored with the file you will keep and share. If you do not save, Excel may not fully apply the password protection to the final version of your document. After saving, you can close the workbook and reopen it to ensure everything is working as expected. When Excel asks for a password upon opening, that confirms the encryption is correctly applied. This is a good quick check, especially if this is the first time you are using password protection in Excel, and that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.